Powered by the best and fastest MediaTek Dimensity 925G processor almost everyone is talking about, the Realme Narzo 55G and the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G are the newest addition replacing the previous Realme 30 series. With amazing specs and features already released in India.
Already?
Let's check out the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5 grams unboxing and first look. Detailed full review. Realme's Narzo smartphone sub-brand lineup provides excellent value for money with their entry-level and mid-range smartphones, which are quite more affordable than the usual Realme or other high-end smartphones. With that being said, Realme has officially released both the Realme Narzo 55G and Realme 50 Pro 5G, which is currently the most affordable and powerful Narzo smartphone out. The Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G comes powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC processor and 5G capabilities, which we will get into more in the video.
Now we've got a lot to cover.
The Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G comes packed and sealed in a blue box, and inside the box, it contains the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone, a 2-pin 33W Dart charger, a USB Type-C cable, a sun image ejector tool, a clear protective case, and a user guide with warranty information that give details and guides on how to set up and use the phone. The Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G comes with a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED punch hole screen, and it offers a pixel resolution of 2400x1080 on a 2.5D built-in soft curved screen protective glass panel with slightly rounded sides.
Scrumptious, curvy cutie.
It also boasts brightness thanks to the display's peak brightness of 1000 nits, giving the screen a bright outlook great for when using it in the dark or in the sunlight. It also boasts of a 360 Hz touch sampling rate and a 90 Hz refresh rate that produces high-quality smoothness when using the phone with less latency. One of the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G's interesting sensors is the phone's optical in-display fingerprint sensor, and on the downside, it has a little flaw with regard to SD card slots, which we will talk about coming up shortly.
This you're going to want to hear.
Still on the external features of the phone, in terms of the buttons, the power button is on the right side with the volume rockers and dual SIM slot located on the left. And at the bottom of the phone, the 3.5mm audio jack, primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and loudspeaker grill are also present and visible there. However, the secondary microphone is located on the top.
What a beauty.
The Realme Narzo 50 Pro smartphone has Dolby Atmos audio, which helps to produce clear and good sounds from the speaker. And it is available in two colors, Hyper Blue and Hyper Black. As mentioned earlier, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G is powered by the latest Android OS MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC processor, which now comes in as one of the best and top mid-range 5G chipsets. Additionally, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro smartphone comes in two models providing 6GB/8GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage, equipped with enough space to store up everything you need from media to document files. Additionally, the phone boasts of dynamic RAM expansion (DRE) technology, which you can increase the 8GB RAM by up to 5GB. The smartphone, just like every other gadget, is not entirely perfect. It has certain drawbacks, which for starters, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G lacks a microSD card slot for extended storage.
Wow, storage wars.
In terms of the camera, it has the 16-megapixel camera punch hole that has been around in most Realme mid-range smartphones. Along with that, the phone boasts a 48-megapixel main camera with a Samsung GM1 sensor and an f/1.79 aperture, while the macro camera comes with a 2-megapixel 4cm and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, both with f/2.2 apertures as well. There is also a 720 portrait video option available, and in addition to that, has 4K 30fps video recording support.
It can change your life forever.
The Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G's base model with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage comes at a selling price of Rs. $21,999, while the 8GB RAM and 128GB variant comes at a cost of Rs. $23,999 in India. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery inside, which weighs 181 grams and is 7.99 millimeters thin. The phone's 5000 mAh battery is compatible with 33W fast charging with the aid of the USB Type-C port provided in the box, which tests have shown can complete up to a 50% charge in about 31 minutes. The Realme Narzo 50 Pro's large 5000 mAh battery packs enough power for a full day's use, and the effective MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC processor work in collaboration with the battery to provide an excellent all-day experience, such as using texting, surfing social media, reading articles, taking photos, making calls, sending messages, and listening to music or streaming your favorite movie or podcast. The Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G supports 5G network bands on both SIM card slots. Overall, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G appears to be a compelling mid-range smartphone running the most recent version of Android OS with a decent price tag. On the flip side, check out the upcoming Redmi Note 12 from Xiaomi.